Alright, this is John and Parita with you again, so hello to everybody. But we're doing what's really popular in the Philippines. You know, with all the heat, I can't blame them, but one of the popular things to do here in the Philippines is to go to the mall. So we're in another mall. We're in Dagupan, Lucao. That's the name of the town, and I forget the name of the mall that we're in. And so look, just a quick look around, but I want you to see this place, World of Fun. This place just stretches way back there. I mean, it looks like they have bowling alleys way back there in the back. Maybe I'll get a video later on of all that, but this mall, like all the other malls in the Philippines, I believe they really just blow away malls in America. I mean, they're just full of everything that you could want or need. They are have all the electronic stores, they have the clothing stores, they have food, they have everything. They are really amazing here in the Philippines, and so that's why you've seen a lot of videos of Parita and I that we've been in the mall. But we're having a good time. You know, I get to explore and see what all they really have in all these places here, which again, I just really feel that they're really amazing and really modern and up to date. So, but anyway, thank you for joining Parita and I, and so we'll see you again soon. We love you. God bless you. So until later, bye.